Hey, thanks again for coming back and watching some of our progress on the herders. We're going to continue on with this repair process. It's going to take a while, but we're getting close to actually doing something other than grinding and making dust and taking parts apart, though. So we're hoping we can get some fiberglass laid here soon. Again, I think it's going to be, I think it's just neat that the boat's that old and it's not too bad and it's got ties to the kid, even though it's in the property that he bought. But, you know, hey, good morning. Another early start. We're going to get a little bit more grinding done today. Here's where we ended last time. We'll see if we can get up a couple more of those center support ribs before it starts getting too warm and we got other stuff to do. Ollie's over there chasing a chipmunk in some of the scrap. Ollie's living the good life in front of the barn fan. Okay, so we got a few minutes of sanding in. We got up to the hole in the midpoint there. So maybe this afternoon, tonight, we will take the side trim off, get the hinges off, and be able to sand up the sides. That will put us in shape to glass at least half of the inside here. And we will get the epoxy on the transom board later today, hopefully, and make some progress that way. What's up, Bubs? You ready for a walk? Huh? You ready for a walk? I know. We'll get going. Okay, here we go again. Another morning, get a little bit of sanding done. Still cool. Ollie was still home sleeping. He didn't want to get out today, so I'll just set you here for a little bit and we'll get a little video. That wasn't too bad. We got some sanding done, other than the fact I forgot to put my hood up, so I got a little fiberglass on my head. That'll probably be a little itchy later, I don't know. But we got most everything taken care of pretty good. We've got a little bit of detail sanding up in the very front here. I don't know if it shows up very well, but yeah, the rest of it, not too bad. I know it's not a perfect boat. I know we'll never get all the spots cleaned up, otherwise I will end up sanding through probably the entire hull, but it's going to be with a couple layers, 2 to 3 layers of 1708 chop strand mat. That boat will probably be way stronger than it ever was new. So that's probably it for today. We will we'll catch you next time. Here's my plan. We've got everything pretty much ground out. I put this patch of 1708 in with epoxy. You can see the line. I pretty well tried to make it a straight line. I'm gonna cut a piece of 1708 to put down on the floor first before we put the transom in. I'm gonna butt up against that line with a trimmed piece, and I'm gonna polyester resin that in, and then I'll be able to use polyester resin on the rest of the floor. I will use the epoxy on the transom, and then to tie the two together, I'm going to put some layers of epoxy and cloth to tab it in. And then my plan is, again, from what I've seen, is that System 3 makes an epoxy that is capable of working with gel coat. So my thought would be to top layer some chop strand mat with that epoxy, cover down from the transom down onto the floor where the polyester is, and then we'll be able to gel coat all this. So again, that's the plan, that's what we're working towards, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so next step we've got some 1708 cut. It butts up against where our sanded line is for where the epoxy and 1708 were put on at the joint back there. And we will bed this in. I don't know if I'll get to it tonight, but we'll wet this all in tonight or tomorrow morning. Let that dry up, and then one down the center, we should be ready to glue the transom in. Hey, it's that time again, just spending a little time in the house here, getting things wrapped up, trying to put this video together. So we're just about finished up making all the dust, and boy, did we make some dust. That is that is a nasty part of doing this whole project. But anyhow, we got the interior of it all, the hull all sanded out. We're ready to glue the transom in. We're ready to probably tomorrow start laying down some fiberglass in the back. So we're definitely making progress getting this thing back to a usable boat. So anyhow, thanks for sticking out this long with me. If you're still here with us, please give us a like. Go ahead, subscribe. There's no cost, no nothing involved with it other than click on subscribe, and you'll be notified, or can be notified, when the next video is up. So anyhow, thanks again. We will be back with you here in another week with some progress. See you then. Bye.